5 things you need to know today before the markets open with voxmarkets.co.uk.
It's Wednesday, the 26th of May, 2021. At 5, more than 1 million households are struggling to pay their water bills. Some people have even had to skip meals to pay for water, the Consumer Council for Water has said. At 4, violence and abuse against shop workers is on the rise, but the perpetrators are rarely prosecuted. The retail trade body, the British Retail Consortium, says there were, on average, 455 incidents in a day in 2019, up 7% on the previous year. At 3, companies could be blocked from listing on the London Stock Exchange on national security grounds, under new rules being considered by the Treasury. The department said it will consult on the proposals in the coming months and consider whether a listing could be stopped if it is given foreign state access to state or commercial secrets. At 2, China has overtaken Germany to become the UK's biggest single import market for the first time since records began. Goods imported from China rose 66% from the start of 2018 to £16.9 billion in the first quarter of this year, according to the ONS. And at 1, building materials are running short in the UK, leaving DIY projects in doubt and building companies under pressure. The Construction Leadership Council has warned that cement, some electrical components, timber, steel and paints are all in short supply. For more details on any of these stories, visit voxmarkets.co.uk.
5 things you need to know today before the markets open with voxmarkets.co.uk.